Hello friends, in module 5 we discuss about numerical method 2 and solve some problems regarding Taylor series method. In this method the main important concept is you have to remember the formula. This is the formula to find out the Taylor series method, that is y of x. To find out y of the x, in question they give itself 0. Find y at x is equal to 0.1 or 0.2 or 0.3, like that they given. The formula is y of x naught plus x minus x naught all to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial y dash x naught plus x minus x naught whole square divided by 2 factorial y double dash x naught plus x minus x naught 3 divided by 3 factorial y double dash y triple dash x naught plus 1. This is the formula to find out the Taylor series method, and we saw some examples regarding that. The question is that solve dy by dx equal to x plus y to the initial condition y not equal to 1 using Taylor series method, and hence find y of y at 0.1. So I will solve that. How to, this is the function, and here they give, in the question itself they give initial condition y naught is equal to 1, so x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1, and we find out first y dash of x naught. I will show how to find. And the question is dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Okay. Y dash is equal to x plus y. This is the question, and x this is the value, and we substitute x naught is equal to 0, y naught is equal to 1, and we get y is equal to 1, and like that y dash x naught is equal to 1 plus y. Differentiate x naught 1, y naught differentiates y dash, so 1 as it is, y naught y dash answer is will came here 1, add 1 2, we get 2, and same like we find out y3 dash is equal to 1 is differentiation 0 plus y dash differentiation y double dash is equal to 0 as it is, plus y double dash differentiation, answer that we already get 2 is equal to 2, that is here, and like that we find out y power 3, same y power y4 is equal to 0 differentiation 0 as it is, y integration of y double dash y triple dash, and y triple dash value is 2, hence y integration of y4 equal to 2, and after this all getting those values we substitute in the formula. Y naught is equal to 1, then question in above question they give, and substitute the values using calculator, and we put the calculator in radian mode 0, 1 and 1 x y dash x naught we already get answer 1, and y double dash x naught equal to 2, y triple dash x naught is equal to 2, and y four dash x naught is equal to 2. Here the answer is here, we put it and substitute in a radian mode using calculator, and add those values, then we get the final answer. I hope all of you understand. This is the method to follow to find out Taylor series method. In this topic, no more importance are there. Just we have to know the concept, how, what is the formula, what is the concept first, what is the formula, how to find out the why those values, and after that add those, substitute those values in the formula, then we get answer. And next we move on to solve another question, another method. That is modified Euler's method. In modified Euler's method, this is the formula to find out the y of x naught. This is important, we have to must remember this. And then we move on to the question. Use modified Euler's method to compute dy by dx plus 3x plus y by 2 y naught is equal to 1, the given initial condition. We have to took 3 iteration, and h also given 0.1, and given write the first given function, and y naught equal to 1, they give in question itself, they only given, so consider x naught equal to 0, y naught equal to 1, and x equal to 0.1. and this is the formula to find out the value. And first y of x1 equal to y1, and we have to find 3 iteration, y1 1 y2 y1 to the power 1, y1 to the power 2, y1 to the power 3. So this is the formula. y1 to the power n equal to y naught plus h of x naught comma y naught. Y naught, the in question they given 1 plus h means the given 0.1 f of x naught comma y naught. I will show how to find x naught comma y naught. This is the x naught value, this is the y naught value. Substitute these values in the given function. 3 x is 0 plus y means 1 by 2. Substitute and we get 0.5. That is the answer here. And multiply with 0.1, then we get 0.05, and add with 1, then we get 1.05. Similarly, substitute the values y1 for iteration 2 and iteration 3, after that and iteration 4 up to 4. Like this we have to solve the problems. And this is this concept is one of the easiest concept. Euler's method is one of the easiest concept compared to Taylor series method. Just remember the formula to find how to find out the iterations, then and substitute those values, then we get answer. Next we move on to Ranskutta method. These are the questions to solve regarding the concept. Then we move on to Ranskutta method. Ranskutta method. In this method, you find the values of y at x not y at x, they given y at x to find 0.1 and 0.2 0.3 like that they given in a question itself. Just we have to understand the concept, which what is the question, what is the function, and what is the given components are given, then understand and apply the formula and substitute those values, then we get easily answers. First we remember the formula. This is the formula to find Anskuta methods of fourth order. Y of x1 in x1 means they give to find 0.1 0.2 0.3 like that. Y equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. This is the formula to find. And how to find k values? K values means h of x naught comma y naught. I already told in above questions how to find f of x naught comma y naught. Substitute the x naught y naught values in given question in given function, then we get f of x naught comma y naught. This is the formula to find k2, and this is the formula to find k3, and this is the formula to find out k4. Remember this formula, must and should important. Using Anskuta methods of fourth order, find y at x is equal to 0.1 given dy by dx is equal to 3 e to the power x plus 2y, y of 0 equal to 1. I will show how to find this. First, this is a function, and first we have to find out f of x naught comma y naught. X naught comma y naught. Y of 0 equal to 1 means x means 0, y means 1. Substitute the x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, then 3 e to the power 0 3 plus 2 into 1 2 is equal to 5. This is 5 is the f of x naught comma y naught value. Then we move on to the to find out the values of k1 k2 k3 k4 respectively. K1 is equal to h of x naught comma y naught. H means 0.1. The given f as it is x naught comma y naught, I will show already 0.1. 5 multiply with this we get 0.5, and k2 is equal to h of equal to x naught plus h by 2 and y not equal to k1 by 2. So this is considered as a x naught, this is considered as a y naught, and f of x naught comma same thing like this. Substitute those values in given functions and we get x naught as a 0.05, y naught as a 1.25, and substitute in a given function, then we get 5.6538. Multiply with 0.1, then we get 0.568. Likewise we have to find k3 and k4 values. At last substitute those values in the main formula. That is, they in question they give find y at x is equal to 0.1. So y naught value is given 1 plus 1 by 6 is as it is, k1 value is 0.5, 2 as it is, multiply with k2, then we get 1.13076. Same multiply with k3, then we get 1.14384. K4 value as it is, add these values, then we get 3.42053, and substitute and we get 1.5700. This is the in this way we have to find the value. And one thing remember, must in this model must you have to remember the formula first, and question, read the question properly, and in this model in read mode only you have to solve the question before okay, thank you.